So that is a free webinar, but it will give you a picture that works. It gives you a way of viewing the brain and the cranial fluid in a meditative and life-supporting way. And as soon as you have a view, a way of viewing that area internally, then you're going to start waking up, because you're going to be viewing the anatomy that thinks, or the intellect, or the constructs of the mind. And when you're viewing that, by definition, you are not that. So it gives you the connection. A lot of people miss that area out. They say, oh, we're in our heart and we're connecting to the higher energies. To get a proper connection to the higher energies, you have to understand the intellect. And you have to be, if you avoid that area, then there's an unconsciousness there. But if you can allow yourself to understand that anatomy and the feel of it, and after a while being able to view that, that gives you powerful connection to the universe. It also, all of the mind constructs, as the energies start going through that, they start dissolving. Doesn't mean they won't come back, but you are not held by that karma. And however much you want or don't want to be the intellect or mind, we are held by it. Every ache, every pain, every upset in our body is also held there. And when you start being able to let go of that area, and the energy travels through that area, the whole spine starts to adjust, your karma for lifetimes and lifetimes starts undoing. So that is a free webinar, but it will give you a picture that works.